Indian government's approval of the rare earths manufacturing scheme, which is worth about 7,300 crore thereabout, is something that we should be looking at. The announcement was made by the INB Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, who emphasized that rare earth is a strategic material, and the PLI scheme, of course, aims to promote domestic manufacturing of sintered permanent magnet that are used across EVs, aerospace, defense and medical equipment. So they've got a bunch of uses, but let's also take a look at some of the other details when it comes to this one. Rishabh, over to you on these.
Right. This is, of course, a very, very crucial scheme when it comes to a strategic sector. Like you said, what Ashwini Vaishnav has pointed out in terms of what it means in terms of being a geopolitically relevant as well as a strategic sector. And that is why the government has turned its focus to rare earth magnets. This comes in roughly a year after a rare earth magnet crisis has come in, wherein you have export restrictions that were put in by China. And now you have the scheme that has come in with that targets roughly creating capacity of roughly 6,000 metric tons per annum. The current need, according to Ashwini Vaishnav, and you see it on your screen as well, is roughly 4,000 to 5,000 tons of rare earth magnets that are needed. So this scheme is meant to completely reduce India's import dependence for this very critical part of the supply chain that has come in. What we're seeing is that it finds its applications in several key sectors like electric vehicles, aerospace, defense, and apart from that, you have the end-to-end production that this scheme is targeting. That means that right from the conversion of metal oxides to alloys and alloys to rare earth magnets. This is an end-to-end scheme that the government has put out, and that is something that is very, very important. What we're also seeing is the fact that, of course, this is meant to support job creation as well. But what is important is that this plans to completely overshoot India's current needs, and this is according to the Union Minister. What we're also seeing is the fact that you're seeing a collaboration with key countries like Australia and Japan for the technologies that are required to extract these rare earth minerals from various deposits that India already has. And the government has said that there is substantial rare earth mineral deposits in India. So you don't really need to import at all from the country, from anywhere around the world, including China. So that is the key headline here coming in from Ashwini Vaishnav on rare earth magnets.
Well, absolutely. Thank you so much, Rishabh, for joining us with some more details when it comes to this one. Like Rishabh said, this is a critical one to focus on. And let's also go across and listen into the commentary coming in from Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav on that note.
अब मैं आता हूँ इससे परमानेंट मैग्नेट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस में. इसमें प्राइवेट सेक्टर कंपनियां भी जुड़ सकती हैं और गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकती हैं. दोनों ही इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. जो सेक्टर्स से बहुत इंटरेस्ट आया है वो सेक्टर्स हैं, एक तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वाले सेक्टर्स हैं, दूसरा ऑटोमोबाइल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के सेक्टर्स. उनमें जो कंपनीज काम कर रही हैं वो लोग इसमें परमानेंट मैग्नेट में भी जुड़ना चाहते हैं. स्टील मेकिंग वाले इसमें जुड़ना चाहते हैं. गाइडलाइंस बहुत रैपिडली इसकी निकलेगी और इसका एग्जीक्यूशन भी बहुत फास्ट होगा क्योंकि तैयारी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से की गई है और बहुत एक्सटेंसिव कंसल्टेशन हुआ है. इंटर मिनिस्टेरियल डायलॉग भी बहुत सीरियस हुआ और इंडस्ट्री के साथ भी बहुत डिटेल्ड एक्सटेंसिव कंसल्टेशन हुआ है. नाम तो बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंटली सेलेक्ट होंगे और लोकेशन जैसे सेमीकंडक्टर में भी है. पीपल डिसाइड, द सिलेक्टेड कंपनीज दे डिसाइड उनको कहाँ पे साइटिंग उनको करनी है, किस जगह उनको लोकेट करना है. तो दैट इज अ डिसीजन लेफ्ट टू द इंडस्ट्री.